Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set a recording duration by using a game bar in Windows 11. So if you try to capture a moment, record a moment when you are playing games, use a game bar app on Windows 11, you can set the durations. For example, you can set your recording duration by default. It will be 30 seconds, but you can try to extend the duration by click Windows icon, click settings, then click on gaming. Next, you can click on captures, save location, recording preferences. Here we go. You can try to enable this. By default, this record what happened option is off. You can try to turn this on. And here we go, maximum recording length. Set the duration for recording your start. You can try with 2 hour, 1 hour, by minimum is 30 minutes. Sorry, I said 30 seconds before, but the minimum is 30 minutes and the maximum is 4 hours. So feel free to try to set the duration for recording with a game bar. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.